Buying a gas range sounds simple until one ruins dinner. One burner scorches the sauce, another barely boils water, and the oven turns your golden chicken into something medically pale. Then you start comparing burner power, oven modes, grates, cleaning systems, and gas conversions, and suddenly you need a spreadsheet. So I tested the cooking experience, controls, capacity, and everyday annoyances behind 6 popular options. Stay until number 1 because our winner isn't the flashiest range here, it's simply the one most people will enjoy living with. 6. Empava Professional Gas Range. Visually, this thing makes a strong first impression. The stainless steel body, heavy-looking grates, and oversized control knobs give it that commercial kitchen personality without forcing you into true commercial equipment. If you want your kitchen to look more expensive than it actually was, well, Empava understands the assignment. The wide cooking surface is the main attraction. There's enough room to work with several pots and pans without constantly rearranging everything like a frustrating puzzle. The burners offer different heat levels, so you can boil pasta on one side, reduce a sauce on another, and keep vegetables moving in a skillet. The continuous grates also make sliding heavier cookware across the surface much easier. Burner response feels direct, which is exactly why people choose gas. Turn the knob, and the flame changes immediately. The stronger burners handle boiling and high-heat searing confidently, although low-temperature control can require a little more attention. When simmering a delicate sauce, we found ourselves checking the flame more often than we did with the higher-ranked ranges. The oven provides useful capacity for family meals, roasting, and batch cooking, but temperature consistency is where Empava begins losing ground. It can produce good results once you understand its behavior, yet it may take some experimentation with rack position and timing. In other words, keep an oven thermometer nearby during your first few cooking sessions. Your cookies will thank you. There's also a practical issue to consider. Support and long-term service may not feel as reassuring as what you get from larger appliance brands. 5. Whirlpool Gas Range. This is the kind of gas range designed for normal households, normal weeknight meals, and normal people who don't want to read a 40-page manual before making frozen pizza. The controls are straightforward, the layout makes sense, and most users will feel comfortable with it almost immediately. The cooktop gives you multiple burner strengths for everyday tasks. The larger burner gets a stock pot boiling at a respectable speed, while the smaller burners are better suited to rice, sauces, and gentle reheating. Depending on the exact model, you may also get continuous grates and a center burner, which can be useful for a griddle or oversized cookware. Inside the oven, Whirlpool generally prioritizes usable space and simple operation. There's room for a large roast, several side dishes, or multiple trays of cookies. Certain versions include convection, air fry functions, or assisted cleaning, but make sure you check the model number carefully. Whirlpool offers several ranges that look nearly identical while having very different features. Appliance shopping loves that little trick. Cooking results are dependable, although they don't always feel especially refined. Preheating can take longer than expected, and some models develop noticeable hot spots towards the back of the oven. The control panel and storage drawer can also feel lighter than the premium-looking photos suggest. Nothing is disastrously cheap, but there are moments when you remember this is a practical appliance, not a luxury one. Whirlpool earns points for familiarity, parts availability, and a broad service network. Those advantages matter when you plan to keep a range for years. Thor Kitchen Gas Range. Those bold knobs, thick grates, and powerful burners immediately change the mood of a kitchen. This doesn't look like an appliance you hide between cabinets. It looks like it wants you to invite 12 people over and dramatically flambe something. The high-output burners are where Thor begins to justify its professional styling. They deliver the concentrated heat needed for searing steaks, stir-frying vegetables, or quickly bringing a large pot to a boil. At the same time, the lower settings provide enough control for most simmering jobs. You still need to watch delicate ingredients, but the overall heat range feels more flexible than Empava's. Cooking on the wide, continuous grates feels comfortable, particularly with large cast iron pans and Dutch ovens. The surface feels stable, and moving cookware between burners doesn't require lifting every pan. Depending on the configuration, you may also get a griddle, which is genuinely useful for pancakes, eggs, smash burgers, and breakfast for a crowd. The oven feels spacious and works well for roasting large cuts of meat. Convection models circulate heat more evenly and help create better browning across multiple racks. We particularly like Thor for savory cooking, where strong heat and generous capacity matter more than absolute pastry-level precision. Bakers may still want to learn the oven's hotter areas before attempting anything temperamental. Thor isn't subtle, and it isn't ideal for every kitchen. The grates are heavy when cleaning, stainless steel shows fingerprints, and the powerful ventilation requirements shouldn't be ignored. 3. Samsung Bespoke Gas Range. Instead of imitating a restaurant appliance, it blends gas cooking with modern design and smart features. The clean front controls and customizable bespoke styling make it especially attractive in newer kitchens. It looks polished without shouting, "I watched 3 seasons of a competitive cooking show." The cooktop feels thoughtfully arranged, with powerful burners for fast boiling and enough surface space for several pans. A center burner or griddle configuration adds flexibility for breakfast foods, grilled sandwiches, and larger cooking vessels. Flame adjustment is responsive, and the knobs provide clear physical control, which many people still prefer over touch-only interfaces. Samsung's oven features are a major reason it ranks this highly. Depending on the model, you may get convection cooking, air frying, bread proofing, and no preheat modes. Air fry works best when food is spread across a large tray rather than packed tightly. Used properly, it can crisp wings, fries, and vegetables without filling your countertop with another appliance. The smart connectivity is more useful than it sounds. You can monitor cooking status, receive alerts, and manage selected functions through Samsung's app. No, it won't chop onions for you, we checked, but receiving a notification when preheating is complete means you don't have to stand in the kitchen staring suspiciously at the display. Cleaning is relatively manageable thanks to the smooth design and removable grates, although glossy surfaces still collect fingerprints. More electronics also mean more components that could eventually require service. Even so, Samsung combines style, cooking flexibility, and convenient technology better than most mainstream competitors. BlueStar Platinum Series All-Gas Range. BlueStar builds this range for people who think high heat is a personality trait. The construction feels substantial, the controls are unapologetically mechanical, and the available color choices can turn the range into the visual center of the entire kitchen. Its open burners produce intense, focused heat for wok cooking, rapid boiling, and steakhouse-level searing. The flame reaches cookware directly instead of being softened by a sealed burner cap. That difference becomes obvious when you place a heavy pan over it. Heat builds quickly, recovery is fast, and ingredients begin browning instead of quietly steaming in their own disappointment. Yet the Platinum series isn't only about brute force. The burners can also hold a surprisingly gentle flame for melting chocolate or maintaining a slow simmer. That wide heat range gives skilled cooks more control. Interchangeable griddle and charbroiler accessories further expand what the cooktop can do, although switching and cleaning those heavy components requires some effort. The oven is equally performance-focused. Its convection system moves a large volume of air, encouraging quick preheating and strong, even browning. Pizza, roasted vegetables, pastries, and large cuts of meat all benefit from that airflow. There's also generous interior space, making this range practical for ambitious holiday meals or anyone who regularly cooks for a group. So why isn't BlueStar number 1? Price, maintenance, and accessibility. Open burners demand more cleaning, the range requires serious ventilation, and its professional character may be excessive for casual cooks. It's arguably the strongest pure cooking machine on this list. GE Appliances Gas Range. GE wins because it balances performance, practical features, serviceability, and ease of use without becoming unnecessarily complicated. It feels familiar within minutes, yet it offers enough capability for someone who cooks every day. That balance is harder to achieve than simply installing the largest burner possible. The cooktop layout is spacious and logical. High-output burners handle boiling and searing, while smaller burners give you controlled heat for sauces and simmering. Continuous grates create a stable surface for large pans, and models with an integrated or reversible griddle are excellent for eggs, bacon, quesadillas, and burgers. The oven produces consistent results across everyday baking and roasting. Depending on the model, GE offers convection, no preheat air frying, and specialized cooking modes. The air fry setting delivers its best results with smaller, evenly spaced portions, while convection helps reduce uneven browning. More importantly, the interface explains what the oven is doing without making you fight through endless menus. GE also gets the small details right. The knobs feel clear and predictable, spills around the cooktop are reasonably easy to reach, and replacement parts or qualified service technicians are generally easier to find. Smart features are available on selected models, but they don't dominate the experience. You can use the app when it helps and ignore it when it doesn't. No range is perfect. Certain finishes show smudges, and some premium GE configurations become expensive once every feature is added. Still, this is the model family we'd recommend to the largest number of buyers. It offers strong gas performance, a versatile oven, manageable maintenance, and fewer daily frustrations. If maximum power matters more than cost, choose BlueStar. If design and smart features come first, Samsung Bespoke makes sense. But for the best overall combination of cooking performance, convenience, and long-term practicality, GE Appliances takes the top spot. Let us know which range you'd trust with dinner, and subscribe for more honest appliance comparisons.